Just editing tonight's video last night, and I've seen how my brain works. I think it's the first time I've physically seen it. You'll see how distracted I get by cars in this video. It's pretty, yeah, unreal. But it is what it is. I get excited, I get keen, and things escalate. So a small idea turns into priority. Even though I've got literally 2 weeks to get my prairie to the LZ World Tour, and it looks like that. I laid my first wire last night, so yes. But here I am, attacking a new build, idiot. But yes, I'll enjoy this video and see how my brain works or doesn't work. It's chaos, but it's going to be awesome. Plus, we've got some awesome partners on this build. It's kind of, you know, I normally just do most of it myself with a couple of people, and this one I've got some awesome companies behind me, so yeah, it's going to be exciting. It's going to be a good fun push to Summernats like it is every year with a fresh car, fresh build. And we've restocked the Cressida t-shirts, everybody's favourite, my favourite. I've been wearing mine nearly every day for a year. Just always wear them, so obviously high quality, drawn by my mate Corey, hand drawn, of the old Cressy, the old Jump Swamp Cressy. Screen printed, just AS colour, just beautiful shirts, and so many people ask me about them. I like to keep the shirts a bit limited, so we do like a couple of 100 runs of every design. That way, I don't know, I remember the time that they were bought, and I remember the stage of where I was at when we were building those cars, all those t-shirts come out. So I've re-released that design, but I've changed a tiny little thing, which I'll just know forever, you know. You'll notice it if you look. So yeah, they are actually live now. It's limited again. Same, I just don't want to, I don't know. I just don't want to sell heaps of the same design. I want to keep them half special. So yeah, look them up. We'll put them on the screen, no doubt. Sian will. And yes, enjoy the video, enjoy the chaos, and enjoy how my brain works, or doesn't. Figured I'd film this because I get these cars with no intention to do much with them, but over the weekend I've had some ideas. So this car, which was given to me for free by Toe King Champion. How's this for service? Toe King gives me 2 VLs for free to ruin. I mean, restore. And this, done a little choppy on that one, but whatever. Yeah, so I've come up with some genius ideas over the weekend. If I do them or not, I don't know. I feel like I should, and I feel like I'm gonna try and build this for Summernats this year. Where are we now? It's August, and Summernats is the start of January. But I won't be starting this right now because I'm 2 weeks away from having the prairie at a big event finished, and we're working on the coffee truck. So this is more me documenting this. Let's see if this gets out of control. It's crazy. Free car, but it could go all so crazy. I'm looking at building a very different VL than everyone else's. For starters, it'll be low. No, I'm not giving every VL guy shit. There's some sick VLs around. But my definition of low is where your seal panel sits, not how much wheel tuck you get. So for me, it'll be getting that gap going. Seal panel to ground, you know, 30, 40, 50 mil if I feel like going out back. But yeah, that'll be some of my goals and plans. I've literally built the whole car in my head, which is messed up because that's what I do. I just can imagine the entire build, and then I end up going interstate to whatever, an event or something, and I literally build the whole car in my head. Like, I mean, nut, bolt, everything. So here it is. I think it's a VL Berliner. Not that means much to me, just a VL. But yeah, this will be an extreme build if it starts to happen. I feel like it's going to, because this is just how my mind works. It's just all over the place, but once I hook in, once I get the idea and start doing the, you know, start thinking about it a bit, I can't escape my mind till it's finished. So be ready for a big build. So yeah, this is as I got it. She's pretty bare. Big engine bay. I wonder what you could fit in there. Yeah, so I'm also documenting this in case it happens. I have a feeling it's going to. Start of every big build, pressure washing. Get rid of the filth before I start working on it. I feel like this is already escalating. This is day one of actually touching it. Let's see how far this goes. Time to build a race car. Just got back today, or last night, from World Time Attack. So yes, the very next day, they're on it. Summernats prep. First look at the treat. Normal. We might as well bin that. Bin that spare wheel well. There's no way that's working. Oh yeah, the floors might touch the ground. It's all good. Remove all this shit. Delete so much. Factory diff 1530. Zach's a dickhead. I won't even cut that out. It'll make sense. There you go. Now, what's it gonna be? 1350.
Did you tell me?
Yeah, 1350. Good day in the VL. All this junk removed. Tank. Must have been V8. Subframe shortened. So factory VL is 1580. No, 1530. Hold on, I wrote it on the diff. There you go, 1530. Now we've gone to 1350. We've shortened the S13 180SX rear subframe. So that's all shortened now. So now it's time to start chopping the car up to make it fit. We shortened it to a pretty good spot where the mats go land, pretty much dead center of the rails. Yeah, we've got to go upwards. Obviously I don't want the diff center hitting the ground because I'm going to run it low. Yeah, I'll have to chop all that up into the boot. Yep. VL is nearly independent rear. Why, you ask? Well, I don't know. Bit of camber, way more cooler. I'll put 4-stud hubs on there instead of 5s. And then once we've done that, we'll start messing with the front end. Cut that shit out. Shit, cut that shit out. This is the last time you see the swampy floor, I think. About to see my my eye protection. Oh, look at your cut. It's like crooked as fuck.
It's the mintest cut ever.
That's so thin. Oh.
Yeah, 100% apparently.
Huh? Now let it go. Or not. Don't owe it to me. Fuck you, VL. Bye, VL. My name's Zach, I like to fuck VLs.
Yeah, fuck that.
Shortened Hiker's Delete rod. And this gets welded on here. It'll make sense. That'll just get welded on through there. Because the subframe's short, this has to be short as well. Alright. So you'll be able to unbolt the Hikers and still bolt the diff in. If Zach did it, the diff will be stuck in for life. Weld the diff in.
Yeah, why not?
You should pull the seats out. You might catch fire.
Nah.
Oh, that's a fire starting.
Yeah. Still alright. And then.
Yeah. Oh, that's a fire. Yeah, we're on fire. If I was to maybe drop the hoist now, I don't know. I don't know what kind of smoke you think that is, but that looks like a fire.
I think it's just smoking, I don't think it's fire.
Yeah, it's got that smell of like, I'm gonna be fire in a minute.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
that's in a minute. It's like that.
That is a minute's problem. Future Jay's problem. Surely people just cut shit with the interior in. No, you're good. You're clear. What? It's got that smell. I might go fire in the fire extinguisher. Pretty sure there's one around here somewhere. Yeah, you're good. Continue as you were.
Yeah, go find one.
This is the shit that starts in the middle of the night. Oh yeah. And that's half cleaned. I think Zach lived in here.
Yeah, of course.
Look at the shit it come with. Garby. Definitely was a stoner. I'll teach you how to be a man every day if you want. Just ask.
Yo, I didn't think it was sheer though. Class 3 really. Yeah. Yep.
Alright. Good to go back about a fucking metre.
Keep going.
About there.
Yep.
Alright, get yourself over the other side because this side's easy. Yeah, you just deal with rack and shit. Good?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna guide it around the column. If
Yeah.
I go down.
Yeah, yeah.
This sounds good. I'm just watching that filter. I can actually drop that. Wait, perfect. Seem good?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like literally building it.
Cross member mount. And don't put it on yet. Sequential.
Stick one bolts in it, I guess, and make some fat washers.
Oh, you probably can't see. Oh. That's the rail on the ground. Oh, there you go. That's what we're going to chop off. That section. So we can get it that low. I've lifted the back up too because it's scraping. We've got some clearancing to do. Looks so good from the front to the camber. I don't know if you can see it from there. You can see it walking up. Engine's in position. I'm going to change the inlet. It's going to come kind of 90 and straight up. I've lifted the back up because it's hitting the ground, but I'll sort that out. Weird seeing camber on a VL. With camber on the front. Obviously the front's lifted because of the rails, so I will get that low again. Bit of work. Yes, turned out awesome. Pretty excited. Shouldn't even be working on it because the Prairie still needs heaps of work. And the LZ World Tour's in 2 weeks from now. So, yes. Look at it. So S13 rear, just top and bottom because we're building the base. S13 base, Commodore top, not that shitty clamp up K-Mac looking Commodore tops. Nice actual adjustable camber tops, Shockworks spec. So yeah, beautiful. Custom made spring rates, dampers, and everything custom for this car's weight and purpose. So yeah, ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. I'm so excited. Got some plans.